Have you ever woken up feeling more tired than when you went to bed, even after a full night's sleep? Or maybe you find yourself dragging through the day, wondering where all your energy went. If so, you're definitely not alone. But here's the good news. Feeling energized and well-rested in the morning isn't just a matter of luck. It's often the result of adopting healthier sleep habits and routines. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some simple yet powerful changes you can make to your daily routine that can help you wake up refreshed and ready to take on the day. We'll cover everything from the importance of consistent sleep, why you should avoid the snooze button, the magic of rehydrating first thing in the morning, how light exercise can boost your energy, and why reducing screen time before bed can make a world of difference. So, if you're ready to transform your mornings and start each day with more energy and enthusiasm, keep watching. These small adjustments might just be the key to feeling your best every single morning. The power of consistent sleep. Let's talk about one of the most important factors in waking up energized: consistent sleep. We've all heard that getting enough sleep is crucial, but did you know that the timing of your sleep can be just as important as the amount? Our bodies follow a natural internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm, which regulates our sleep-wake cycle. When you stick to a regular sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, you help keep this clock in sync. This not only makes it easier to fall asleep at night, but also helps you wake up feeling more refreshed. But what happens when your sleep schedule is all over the place? Maybe you stay up late one night and sleep in the next morning, or you're burning the midnight oil during the week and trying to catch up on sleep over the weekend. This kind of irregular sleep can throw off your circadian rhythm, making it harder for you to get quality sleep and leaving you feeling groggy in the morning. Even if you get enough hours of sleep, inconsistency can disrupt your body's natural processes, leading to less restorative rest. So, how can you build a more consistent sleep routine? Here are a few simple tips. 1. Set a regular bedtime and wake-up time, even on weekends. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day to keep your body's clock in sync. 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. This could be anything from reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing some light stretching to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. 3. Avoid large meals, caffeine, and alcohol before bed. These can interfere with your sleep quality and make it harder to stick to your schedule. 4. Be patient with yourself. It might take some time to adjust, but sticking with a consistent schedule will pay off in the long run. By making your sleep schedule a priority, you're setting the foundation for better sleep and more energized mornings. Consistency truly is key, and with a little effort, you can train your body to wake up feeling more refreshed and ready to tackle the day ahead. Say no to the snooze button. How many of us are guilty of hitting that snooze button just to steal a few more minutes of sleep? It might feel like a small victory in the moment, but did you know that those extra minutes can actually leave you feeling more tired and groggy? When you hit the snooze button, you're disrupting your sleep cycle. After each alarm, your body tries to go back into a deep sleep, but it's constantly interrupted. This leaves you in what's called sleep inertia, a state of grogginess that can last for hours. Instead of giving you the rest you think you're getting, those extra minutes can actually make it harder for your body to fully wake up. You're not just delaying the inevitable, you're making the start of your day even more challenging. So what's the solution? The key is to train yourself to get up as soon as your alarm goes off. It might sound tough at first, but with a few simple strategies, you can break the snooze habit and start your day with more energy. Here are a few tips to help you ditch the snooze button for good. 1. Place your alarm across the room. This forces you to physically get out of bed to turn it off, making it less likely that you'll crawl back under the covers. 2. Use an alarm tone that energizes you. Choose a sound that's pleasant, yet motivating, something that wakes you up without jolting you, but still gets you moving. 3. Practice the 5-second rule. As soon as your alarm goes off, count down from 5 and get up on 1. It's a simple trick to stop overthinking and just take action. 4. Set a wake-up intention. Before going to bed, mentally commit to waking up without snoozing. Remind yourself of how much better you'll feel when you get up right away. It might take some time to adjust, but once you break free from the snooze button, you'll notice a big difference in how you feel throughout the day. By getting up as soon as your alarm goes off, you're giving your body the chance to fully wake up and start your day on the right foot. Rehydrate immediately upon waking. One of the simplest yet most powerful habits you can adopt in your morning routine is rehydrating as soon as you wake up. After a long night's sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated, and drinking water first thing in the morning can have a huge impact on how you feel throughout the day. While you're asleep, your body goes without water for 6 to 8 hours. Even though you're not exerting yourself, you lose fluids through breathing, sweating, and other natural processes. That's why rehydrating in the morning is so important. It helps replenish those lost fluids and kickstarts your body's functions for the day. Drinking water first thing in the morning does more than just quench your thirst. It helps to 1. Boost your metabolism. Water helps to wake up your digestive system, which can increase your metabolism and help you burn calories more efficiently. 2. Flush out toxins. Drinking water helps your kidneys and liver do their job of detoxifying your body, which is especially important after hours of rest. 3. Improve brain function. Even mild dehydration can affect your mood, memory, and concentration. Rehydrating in the morning ensures your brain is functioning at its best. 4. Revitalize your skin. Hydration is key for healthy skin. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps to maintain skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and dryness. So how can you make rehydrating a regular part of your morning routine? Here are a few tips. 1. Keep water by your bedside. Make it easy for yourself by having a glass or bottle of water within arm's reach so you can drink it as soon as you wake up. 2. Set a reminder. If you tend to forget, set a gentle reminder on your phone or place a sticky note on your alarm clock to remind you to drink up. 3. Add a slice of lemon or cucumber. This not only makes the water taste refreshing, but also adds a boost of vitamins and antioxidants. 4. Start small. If drinking a full glass of water first thing feels like too much, start with a few sips and gradually increase the amount over time. Making hydration your first priority in the morning is a small change that can lead to big benefits. You'll feel more alert, your body will function better, and you'll start your day with a simple, positive habit that sets the tone for the hours ahead. Engage in light morning exercise. There's nothing quite like the feeling of getting your body moving first thing in the morning. Engaging in light exercise shortly after waking up is one of the best ways to boost your energy, improve your mood, and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Morning exercise doesn't have to be intense to be effective. Even just a few minutes of light activity can work wonders for your body and mind. When you move your body in the morning, you're helping to 1. Kickstart your metabolism. Light exercise helps activate your metabolism, making it easier for your body to burn calories throughout the day. 2. Increase circulation. Getting your blood flowing helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and brain, which can make you feel more alert and focused. 3. Elevate your mood. Physical activity releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones, which can help reduce stress and set a positive mindset for the day. 4. Enhance flexibility and mobility. Gentle stretches or yoga can help loosen up stiff muscles and joints, reducing the risk of injury and making daily activities easier. So, what kind of exercises should you do in the morning? Here are a few ideas to get you started. 1. Stretching. Spend a few minutes stretching your arms, legs, and back. This can help relieve any stiffness from sleeping and prepare your body for the day ahead. 2. Yoga. Try a short yoga routine with poses like downward dog, child's pose, or cat-cow. Yoga not only stretches your muscles, but also helps you center your mind and breathe deeply. 3. Walking. If you prefer something more active, take a quick walk around your neighborhood or even just inside your house. Walking is a great way to get your heart rate up without putting too much strain on your body. 4. Body weight exercises. Simple exercises like squats, lunges, or push-ups can be done in just a few minutes and don't require any equipment. The key is to choose an activity that you enjoy and that feels good for your body. Remember, the goal is to wake up your muscles and joints, not to exhaust yourself. Even just 5 to 10 minutes of light exercise can have a significant impact on how you feel throughout the day. By incorporating light morning exercise into your routine, you're giving yourself a natural energy boost that lasts all day. It's a simple, effective way to start your day with more focus, positivity, and vitality. So, why not make it a part of your morning ritual and see how it transforms your mornings? Reduce screen time before bed. It's tempting to unwind before bed by scrolling through social media, watching a movie, or checking your emails one last time. But did you know that this habit could be one of the biggest obstacles to getting a good night's sleep? Most screens, whether they're from your phone, tablet, computer, or TV, emit blue light. This blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, which suppresses the production of melatonin, the hormone that signals to your body that it's time to sleep. The result? It becomes harder to fall asleep, and your sleep quality may suffer. When you expose yourself to screens right before bed, you're not only delaying your ability to fall asleep, but you're also making it more likely that you'll wake up feeling tired and unrested. But don't worry, there are simple steps you can take to reduce screen time in the evening and improve your sleep. Here are a few strategies to help you cut down on screen time before bed. 1. Set a digital curfew. Try to turn off all screens at least 30 minutes to an hour before you plan to go to sleep. This gives your brain time to wind down and start producing melatonin naturally. 2. Create a bedtime routine without screens. Instead of scrolling through your phone, consider activities that help you relax, like reading a physical book, listening to calming music or a podcast, journaling or practicing meditation. 3. Use blue light filters. If you must use your devices in the evening, enable blue light filters on your screens or wear blue light blocking glasses. These can reduce the impact of blue light on your sleep, though it's still best to minimize screen use before bed. 4. Move your devices out of reach. Keep your phone, tablet, or laptop out of your bedroom or at least away from your bed. This reduces the temptation to check them late at night and helps create a more restful sleep environment. By making these small changes, you'll give your mind the chance to unwind naturally, helping you fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. The result? You'll wake up feeling more refreshed and ready to start your day. Remember, the time before bed is your opportunity to prepare both your body and mind for rest. Reducing screen time is a simple yet effective way to enhance your sleep quality and improve how you feel in the morning. So why not give it a try? Your future, well-rested self will thank you. Conclusion. As we wrap up, I hope today's tips have inspired you to take charge of your mornings and ultimately your well-being. Remember, waking up feeling energized and ready to take on the day isn't just about what you do in the morning. It's about the habits you build throughout your day and night. We've talked about the power of a consistent sleep routine, the benefits of getting up as soon as your alarm goes off, the importance of rehydrating first thing, the impact of light morning exercise, and how reducing screen time before bed can help you sleep better. Each of these small changes contributes to a healthier, more energized you. It's easy to overlook the impact that these simple habits can have, but when you put them into practice consistently, they can truly transform how you feel every day. The most important thing to remember is that change doesn't happen overnight. Be patient with yourself and take it one step at a time. Start by choosing 1 or 2 of these tips to implement this week. As they become part of your routine, you can gradually add more. Over time, you'll notice that you're waking up with more energy, feeling more focused, and ready to embrace whatever the day brings. And don't forget to track your progress. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small they may seem. Each positive change you make is a step toward a healthier, happier you. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to better mornings and better health. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you're excited to start making some changes in your own life. Remember, the way you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. By adopting these simple habits, you're not just improving your mornings, you're improving your entire day, one step at a time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with others who might benefit and subscribe to the channel for more tips on living your best life. Here's to better mornings, brighter days, and a healthier you. Until next time.